Hello everyone, welcome to Pygenuishub. Want to learn Python? Then you are in the right place. This channel is designed to help you learn Python from basics to expert level with a special focus on interview questions and coding challenges. If you are serious about mastering the Python, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any latest tutorials and coding tips. Now let's start this Python journey together. In this video, you will learn what is the Python syntax and how to define the variables in Python and what is the dynamic typing and what are the built-in data structures in Python. We will discuss how Python is different from other programming languages. The main difference is that Python uses the indentation instead of the curly braces for differentiating the code blocks. If any incorrect indentation, that results into the indentation error. So while writing the code in Python, we have to be more specific on indentation part. And Python is a case sensitive. Now in this slide, you can see name start with small n and the name start with capital N. Both are the different variables. And Python statement is automatically ended, means no need to specify any semicolons to end the statements how we used to specify in C or C++. Now we are going to understand how to define the variable names in Python. Before that, we are going to understand first what is this variable. Variable is nothing but it is a name for memory location or address that store any type of the value. We have to follow some naming conventions to define the variable name in Python. First rule is that the name can contain letters, digits or the underscore, but name can start only with the underscore or the letters. It should not start with the numbers. And we have to avoid using special words which have a special meaning in Python, for example list or tuple. And Python is a case sensitive. You saw that how the two variables are differ. Now we will see the special feature of Python, that is dynamic typing. In earlier slide we saw that we are not going to define any data type while defining the variable name. So Python automatically determines the type of the variable at the runtime, so no need to declare any data type explicitly. Python assigns the data type based on the value, and the type of this variable can change during the execution. So no need to specify variable type before using it. In this slide you can see X is having the three different types of values like 10, hello and the 3.14, that is float value. If you see that type of this X variable, you can see depends on the data type it holds, it will gives the data type of that particular X value. We are going to discuss built-in data structures in Python. Python has 8 different data structures in Python. Those are numbers, booleans, strings, list, tuple, sets, frozen sets and the dictionaries. Numbers means it might be integers, floating numbers or the complex numbers. Boolean represent the true or false values, means true is equal to 1 and the false value is equal to 0. String means it is a sequence of characters which are enclosed in single quote, double quote or the triple quotes. Now the Python has 4 most important and mostly used data types are like list, tuple, sets and the dictionaries. List is ordered collection which allows the duplicate values and those values can be modified. So list is called as a mutable data type in Python. And tuple is ordered collection that also allows the duplicate values but it cannot be changed because it is immutable nature. Set is unordered collection that does not allow the duplicate values but the elements in the sets can be modified. And frozen set is nothing but it is the immutable version of the Python set, means once it is created, we are not going to add, modify or remove any elements. Dictionary is collection of key value pairs that is in unordered, and we can modify the dictionary once it is defined. I hope by this video you understood Python basics, Python syntax, and how we are going to define the Python variables, dynamic typing, and what are the built-in data structures in Python. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below with your favorite Python feature. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Happy coding!